Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a sunset in Procreate. So I got my brushes off of Envato Elements. I will leave the link down below. So what you're going to do is take a reference image of a sunset and then copy down the colors and then use the brush to color in the colors. You can choose any colors that you want and change it up a little bit. So next you're going to go to Gaussian blur and you're going to blur it out until the colors are well blended. I blended mine to at least 44.2, and you can blend it as much as you want depending on your colors. Next, you're going to take the color black, and you're going to switch your brushes to Studio Pen, which is also a free brush that comes with Procreate, and it's in inking. I really like this one, so what we're going to do is we're going to be drawing bumpy lines. It doesn't have to be straight or perfect because if you ever look at a ground, it's never perfectly straight. So we're just going to be drawing random squiggles on the ground. Make sure that you're doing this on a different layer than your background. Next, you're going to just fill that in and make it black. Now you don't have to do this all the way up to the orange, you can do it while it was down in the reddish purple, but I just decided to do it till it was up till the orange. Next you're going to draw cactuses. So cactuses are pretty easy to draw. All you're going to do is draw two hands. They don't have to be parallel from each other, one can be lower, one can be higher, and just fill the cactus in as well. That's all for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this simple tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!